Hey, Bonnie, are you there?
Confirmed, Michael. I am fully operational and standing by.
Can you give Turbo Boost some diagnostics?
Turbo Boost Diagnostics engaged. Thrust vector, pressure, and response time all nominal.
Let's do an engine diagnostic next.
Initiating engine diagnostic now. RPM stable. Fuel mix optimal. Power output strong.
What do you detect?
All sensors indicate nominal engine efficiency. 0 faults detected.
What do you see?
Visual scan, it looks like this is in an indoor space. I can see cars, people, chairs, headphones. Diagnostic opinion, cars remains suspiciously operational.
Thank you, Bonnie. Do you want to run, any other diagnostics?
Michael, we can run auxiliary systems or sensor calibration diagnostics next. Your command.
Yes, go ahead, please.
Commencing auxiliary systems diagnostic now. Stand by for results. Auxiliary system stable, Michael. All subsystems functioning at peak efficiency.
Thank you very much for your time, Bonnie.
Always at your service, Michael. Ready for the next command anytime.